guess what? It's time! It's time for pie! Hello. Let me know if the mic's too loud. I messed with my levels again. My microphone is significantly further away from my mouth than it used to be. And it should be much louder. Hopefully I didn't just blow your ears out. Well, nobody's saying anything, so I'm going to assume that we're good. Can you please let me know if you can hear me at all? That would be appreciated. Yes, I am a Chihuahua enjoyer. Okay, good. Chihuahua is great. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. Hello. Yes, I do play Factorio. Please let me know if the music's too loud as well. Everything should be pretty good. But as always, I'm a bad streamer, so I'm bad. Okay, so I figure I had a decision to make because I have an existing Pyanodons game that I played last year before Space Age, but it is rather old now, and I don't remember what anything is doing or where anything is, and there's been changes to map generation, and I want to play with spoilage, so I figured it was smarter to just start over. Turn music down? Okay. How's that? Hey, Regard, I heard you were new to Factorio. Do you want tips? You can use Q to pipette items. Wow, that's crazy! Thank you. Never would have known that otherwise. Hold on, I'm just adjusting my microphone a little. There we go. Couldn't see my monitor. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I have this existing game, but I just couldn't decide if I wanted to get... Okay, I guess we're not looking at it. Also, you can use Alt F4 to check the balance of fluid networks. Try it. Oh, hey, guess what? That trick doesn't work on me. I'm pressing Alt F4 and it's doing nothing. Because I use Windows Q instead. But yeah, anyway, I can't look at it, so I guess you're not gonna... Fine, I'll freaking... Hold on. I want to show you my old save. And then I'll show you why we're not going to be playing that old save anymore. Okay. Nope, that is a little loud. Okay, so this is the old base. As you can see, there's a lot of broken pipelines, and this base is an absolute natural disaster. I guess it's an artificial disaster, but I digress. I don't remember how it works. I don't remember where anything is, because it's been like 8 months since I've played this save, so I decided I'm just going to start over. This save does have 34 hours on it, which is going to be sad to do all that again, but we're going to go much faster this time, I think. But yeah, this is my base. I got to Pi Science 1, but that was it. I got my rock paddocks up here. So we're going to have to redo a lot of stuff. but it's gonna be fun. And I have learned some lessons, so I'm gonna go to editor real quick, and I'm going to remove all of this stuff. You see this? This is a problem. This save has very mixed starting ore patches that were just an absolute pain in the rear to work around. So I have already picked a seed from my new game that doesn't have this problem. And yes, the 1.1 cliff generation was absolutely atrociously bad. I want to play with cliffs, but I don't want to play with these cliffs. These cliffs are just awful. Thanks for the follow, Mino Malzo. Appreciate you. So yeah, we are going to be starting a brand new game. So yes, I already have my seed picked out. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard. Are you going to repeat the same mistakes? Maybe. Hello. I would like my seed, please. The frick? Okay. So here's my seed. As you can see, it's all nice, dense forest. Well, not dense, but it's a nice forest. All of the starting ore patches are separated, which is awesome. So my overall plan is I'm going to build a horizontal bus, I think. That'll give us the most space. But we'll see what happens. That's my initial plan, at least. To be honest, though, it's probably going to be complete spaghetti again. But yeah, you'll also notice that the cliffs are so much nicer. Just so much better. And yes, this time I selected the default preset. Welcome to Factorio Free Play. Your task is to launch a rocket into space. You will need to research advanced technologies in order to unlock the rocket silo. Start small and work your way up with automation. Protect yourself from the native species, as they may not appreciate your presence. Fake news, there is no native species on this planet. I disabled biters. And when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. I love this song. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Okay, sorry. Bus and Pie is just so wide. You're not wrong. Okay, so surely we can just do the same thing. Like I said, I hardly remember anything, although this time Ash is not going to catch me off guard like it did the first time. Oh, that's awkward. Also, I'm going to make sure, yes, we have decay enabled, so we have spoilage. I can just do this, right? Yeah. Not a problem. Oh, no, it does have ash. Right, okay. So I do need to be slightly smarter about this. Where are the first small parts at 146? Hype. Where the heck are the milestones there? It'll be interesting to compare the milestones between my games. Oh my gosh, I had it. Ash. Oh, alt mode. Thank you. Starting fresh? Yes. I looked at my old save and decided I couldn't do it anymore. We are starting fresh. And we have learned our some lessons. Hold on, let me adjust my keyboard. Holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Huh, that was weird. I couldn't cue that. I expected to be able to cue that. Bug! Okay, I can't make any iron chests. What do I need to make iron chests? Oh, hey, recipe book. Fancy seeing you here. I'm actually going to try not to use you. I'm going to try using Factoriopedia and see how long that lasts. Okay. Assembly. Analyst. To use it. 'Cause you're the one. The Fat Rat makes such good music, dude. Don't know why I haven't put his music on in the background of my streams before. Not the huge pedia. No. I actually don't like the wide inventory. I'd much rather have it be a consistent width. Who knows what I'll think 300 hours later, but we'll see. Oh, wait, there's a bug. And recipe book? Hold on. Do I have the latest commit? Yes. Oh, I thought I fixed that. Oh. There we go. So yeah, as part of my thinking in recipe book 4, shortcuts down here were not meant to be used for GUI toggle buttons, but that's how they ended up working. So recipe book 4 will not have a shortcut, it'll have a button up here, because that's what this area is supposed to be used for, is GUI toggles. But people have started using shortcuts for that, and the shortcuts bar just gets so full. Maybe I'll add an option to bring that back, but in my opinion, people shouldn't be using the shortcut bar for GUIs, because that's not what it's meant for. Honestly, like, we should have an API to allow you to add more buttons up here, so it's all this empty space, but we haven't added that. That would be my job, and I haven't done it. Okay, what did we finish? We finished steam power, cool. Also let us run into the map. We tried. Turns out it's actually extraordinarily difficult to do that. That's why it hasn't been done. It's easy in the game engine, but making it exposed to Lua is actually really hard. Hold on. I'm just making sure I posted all the Discord notifications. Because I am a software developer, therefore I have not automated my workflow. Okay, return of the pie. Oh, I still have factory search too. I basically copied my mod list from the last one, except I removed like some of the things like pipe visualizer and stuff that are in 2.0 now. Although I had an idea the other day. So when you have fluids, when you have the fluid visualization here, that fluid visualization is on a particular render layer. And it should be possible to use script rendering to render an overlay behind the visualization, but in front of entity artwork, which would mean we could bring back Pipe Visualizer's overlay in a pretty simple way. So you would hold a pipe, press a button, and it would overlay the background, because unfortunately with the way this works, it's kind of hard to see all your pipelines. I kind of liked the overlay, but you don't have that anymore with the built-in version. I think that might be worth considering. Good morning, the Starfight. How you doing? No mouse over construction? Nope. Oh, so you made sure. Okay, so it already does that in your port. I might make it a standalone mod, though. Although maybe I'll just install your port. I don't know. We'll see. Do I have belts? Yes, I do. Can't sleep? Oh, man. I'm sorry. That's never fun. This is 1.25, right? Yeah, that's 1.0, I think. Right? Yeah. There's a fresh pie map? Yes. The only thing I really had to migrate was the rotation code for sprites, since that changed, but basically everything else is the same. Gotcha. Good to know. I still want to see if in 2.1 I can implement the other features of Pipe Visualizer, because I also missed them, but we'll see. How far did you get in your last Pi playthrough? I got 35 hours in. I got to Pi Science 1, but the base was just untenable, and it was in Factorio 1.1, so I wanted I wanted a fresh start on 2.0, basically. I could have continued it if I really wanted to, but I didn't really want to. Oh gosh, these fill up really fast. Quickly. Pending a visualization, if you can add that, it would be enough. Yeah. That might be possible. Like, all I need to do is add a custom input. All I need to do is add an input action, and then it actually wouldn't be that difficult. Now that I'm thinking through how I would implement it, it wouldn't take that much code. The problem is when you add stuff to the base game, the level of polish that's expected is a lot higher than, for example, a mod. So it would probably be a hidden feature that's not enabled by default, because otherwise I'd have to like go through a whole process to get it into the game. But if we add stuff to the rest, or just add unbound keybinds, then sometimes you can sneak features into the game. Like a good example is disable mouse auto capture, which is a setting specific to X11 on Linux, and it's only useful if you're a mod developer. But I just added it to the hidden settings, and I didn't have to like go through a hey, is this actually a good thing to put in the game process. Okay, where's my offshore pump? There it is. So we need an offshore pump. We need pipes. And we need boiler and steam engine. Is there a closer water patch? I don't know. It's not that big a deal. Although running the coal all the way down there will be slightly annoying, but it's fine. Not a huge problem. Right, I gotta remember the ratio is different. Which somebody actually submitted a rate calculator bug because according to this, you would think that... oh wait, actually this is 4-to-1. This isn't 2-to-1. Because of what I'm about to show you. I need some Keratin. Thank you. So yeah, this is only outputting... Oh no, it's outputting 7. What? Oh no, it's the steam engine itself. The steam engine itself does not consume 15 per second at this temperature. Such nice blue water. Thrilling gameplay. This is why I didn't want to restart, because like now I have to go through the whole early game again, which is going to be sad, but we'll live. Right, ash. I somehow always forget the ash. Every bloody time. Okay. And to design for the ash. I think we probably want... how many ash outserters do we need? Oh yeah, the water does stay blue because there's no pollution. Ha! Just pure unadulterated factory building. Okay, you're gonna produce 1.2 ash per second, which the inserters can do 1.6-ish, but not with the belts. Or sorry, that means that we need 1.6 inserters. So 2 inserters should be enough? Question mark? It can't be eco-unfriendly if there's no pollution, right? Can't ruin the environment if there is no environment to ruin. Climate change does not exist in this world. And before Twitch bans me for spreading misinformation. I don't know, whose pocket is Twitch in? Okay, I need more iron. More! 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 Oops, where did all my... Oh, it's stone. I need more stone. How does Factoriopedia handle that? Oh, okay, yeah, it puts it into its own thing. Uh-oh, this shouldn't be an uncategorized. This should be an environment. Literally unplayable. Well, that outsiders is common nomenclature now. Did I invent that nomenclature? Because I use that independently. Melon loves bugs. Then I hate bugs. I've become bitter in my old age. Software, the only way to not write bugs is to not write software. Okay, what's in order to reliably generate power, we need to bring down coal. So how much? Let's design stuff up here because we have all of our resources up here. We can just build with ghosts. So I think we do it like this. This way we can just underground pipe like that. But I seem to recall that two outsiders wasn't enough in my last playthrough. For some reason. I think I needed like 4. Well, I guess we'll do 2 for now, and if we need 4, then we'll do that later. In which case, that is the design. Indeed. Number of outsiders should equal the inserter. Oh, that's true. In which case, we need 3 inserters, so we actually need 3 outsiders as well. Or we just do slightly fewer inserters. And just call it good. Just do that. Bum ba da dum bum ba dum bum ba da dum ba da dum bum ba dum bum bum bum. Okay, so now we need a bunch of waste disposal for now. Already out of copper. One advantage of my old seed was that the stuff was a lot closer together. It was all like right here, right next to the water patch. So the early game is going to take a little bit longer because we have to walk a lot further, which kind of sucks, but it's fine. Of course, I'm out of stone again. Hey, Mechajide. Forgot Pi hard mode changes the chest size, so seeing these massive wood chests was shocking for... Uh-oh. I'm morbidly curious. It is a separate one, okay. Pyanodon's hard mode is an extension to Pyanodon's alternative energy focused on making the whole mod pack more difficult. Unlike other Pi mods, this mod doesn't add any new items. Instead, Pyanodon's hard mode is focused on adding new and difficult mechanics. Perfect for masochists, lunatics, and psychos. No more Mr. Nice Pie, my clat. Waste processing. The sinkhole, gas vent, and burner have been severely nerfed or reworked. Voiding items is now much more difficult. Sinkhole can only void water, and it must be placed on a lake or river. Gas vent requires filtration media to destroy any gases. Burner cannot destroy items, and instead generates heat. Tailings pond has moved from automation to Pi Science 3. Prevented the dump hotkey on pipes and fluid tanks. Exceptions for water and steam. Shooting chests will now spill their contents on the floor instead of being destroyed. Added tons of new recycling recipes to reprocess the following junk byproducts. Big list. Spoilage. Pyanodon's hard mode adds over spoilage to over 100 items. Problem? Heat management. Several machines have been changed to require heat. This includes incubator, regenerative heat exchanger, SMICDEN, multipurpose cracker, advanced foundry, and the heavy oil refinery. Heat can be generated via burning biomass in burners, burning coal in power plant or RTG. Vanilla nuclear reactor is renamed to breeder reactor. It generates waste heat that must be removed. Heat pipes have a decay of 2 degrees centigrade per tile. And there's a lot of other stuff. I'm so curious about this. I kind of want to play it, but no, I'm not going to. Maybe I'll do another playthrough after I finish this playthrough. 100 times science Pi hard mode run. If I get a duodecillion subscribers, I will do that. Subathon goals, let's go. Oh yeah, no, you do 100 times science, Pi hard mode, death world with rampant. Placeable off grid. And building permanence. Why am I missing small parts? I need... Okay, well, I hacked myself. Building permanence is actually torture. Yeah, it would be torture. It would not be fun. See, if we had building permanence, then I would have been soft locked, or I would have been locked there, and I would have had to start over. Give me those sweet copper plates. Oh, man, it's so nice having rate calculator again. I was about to do the math, like, myself. I mean, that's easy. 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. But still, I've been playing Space Age Vanilla for so long that I haven't had access to my quality of life mods for a while. What made you decide to play Pi again? I beat Space Age yesterday. I always said that once I beat Space Age, I was going to go back to Pi, and here I am. I'm still going to play the Space Age run on my own, off stream, but I'm not going to play it on stream very much anymore. Because the people want Pi. Note about hard mode, the preventing fluid voiding isn't working at the moment because the mod can't be updated due to deconstruction behavior. That's not a thing in Pi hard mode. Oh, man. Are you even hard mode, bro? If you can delete fluids? It's too easy. I might do Pi hard mode. If I have fun with Pi normal and actually finish the game, then I will try Pi hard mode. But until then, I'm just going to play regular Pi. Yes, I do have decay turned on. Wait, automation science? Oh, okay, they didn't change the tech icon. Copper mining requires water? Actually, that's really cool. That's super neat. I like that. Don't know how much sense it makes, but I like it. Stone mining requires carbolic oil. What is carbolic oil? Huh. Okay, so you'd get it from a destructive distillation column. Wait, so you can't mine stone by hand in Pi hard mode? Hold on, I'm curious. I'm going to install it. I'm not going to play with this. I just want to check it out. Let's keep reading the stuff that it does. Logistics. Moving stuff around is more difficult, will require more planning and infrastructure. Chests, sheds, storehouses, warehouses, and deposits have a much smaller inventory size. Logistic bots have a lower stack size. Resource rocks have collision and have infinite richness. Say goodbye to your city blocks and main... Uh-oh, wait, so you're telling me I go up here. Hold on, I should probably make it so I can read chat again. There we go. Maybe it won't apply to the existing ones. Okay, maybe it doesn't apply to the existing ones. Here's a rock. What? That's a lie. Oh. I see. I'm gonna go try mining stone. Oh no, 3 carbolic oil. That's evil. That is so evil. Holy moly. Huh? So wait, how do you mine the copper? Burner mining drills don't have a fluid input. Do they? No. They do now. This one doesn't. Uh-oh. That is a bug in the game. That's my fault. I have to fix that. Guess I know what I'm doing tomorrow. Ugh. The existing miners didn't get the fluid port added. Wait. Ugh. Okay, burner mining drill. Okay, yeah, we beat the game! Woo! We finished Pyanodons in 25 minutes. Let's go! No, it's the same one. Look, burner mining drill. Burner mining drill. It's the same prototype. That's a bug. Well, I lasted 25 minutes before I found a bug. Bug fix / mining drill fluid migrations. Mining drill. Pi hard mode mining drills. I'm gonna have a fluid port that doesn't get added if you migrate from a not having one to having one. And I put that into the source code so it won't compile. There we go. But that's evil. That is so evil. I love it. I'm so tempted. Let's keep reading. Loaders have been added, but at what cost? Several free sources of biomass have been nerfed or removed. This includes spores, sap, seaweed, moss, and fungi. Composting of certain animal parts is no longer allowed. The biomass power plant is nerfed and requires biocrud to function. Blood urea now requires 2.5 times as much blood. Several Pi alien life creatures are optional or only have uses for far after they are unlocked. This mod makes these optional creatures more relevant. Interesting. Recipe browser, ratio calculator. What? He didn't recommend rate calculator? I guess that's not the right kind of ratio calculator. This is just Not That Melon's insane BDSM side project. All relations to persons living or dead is purely heretical. Death, dismemberment, or insanity is not covered under Pi hard mode warranty. Proceed with extreme caution. Ah, Melon. I met Melon at the LAN party, and I love him. He's awesome. He's a specific kind of nuts. Well, I know what I'm getting into. I've played Pipe before. I've played 30 hours of Pipe before, I should say. I haven't actually played Pipe before. Like, 30 hours is such a drop in the bucket compared to the whole mod that's like, you haven't even started. It's like you mined your first ore in a vanilla game. Yet it was already breaking my head. Okay, so these go significantly quicker, but not too much quicker. I can't power 2 to 1. How far did you get? I got Pi Science 1. I haven't even mined all the ores by 30 hours. I know. It took me 18 hours, or it took me 15 and a half hours to get splitters. Okay, so first I need to automate power, so which means I need a lot more belts. That's what I'm working towards right now. Yeah, and that was my first playthrough blind, and now I know sort of what I'm doing a little bit, so it'll be faster this time. Okay, we need to set up ye olden burner inserter or burner miner loop with ash processing. Kidding, I built it one too far over. Is there a way to change the order of the hotbars, by the way? Mine, for some reason, goes 1, 2, 4, 3. Yeah, you click the number, and then you can change it. So you can change them to whatever you want. Like you can, that's how you see all 10 of your hotbars. And yes, you do have 10 hotbars, so you can set up 10 hotbars, and then if you want to switch tasks, you can switch between them. I actually used to do, my workflow used to be that I would only have one active quick bar, and then I had hotkeys to switch the quick bar I was on, but I decided that that was too many hotkeys, so now I use all 4 and just cycle between them like normal. And why is this aluminium like right in the middle of the way? Oh gosh, small parts. It requires small parts, which requires copper, right? Yeah, so belts require copper. That's incredible. Gosh, these fill up so quickly. It's nuts. At least we don't have to have electricity for the regular inserters, or for the mechanical inserters. Could be worse. Okay, automation is something we need to, yeah. Assembly. Excuse me. Stacks to 1,000. It'll be fine. Man, the Pyanodon's clickbait works. I have, like, twice as many viewers as I did when I played Space Age yesterday. I think. Okay, are we bottlenecked on our copper? Yes. Oh my gosh. We're so bottlenecked by copper. Not even funny. Actually, it's freaking hilarious. Do we need 1 copper plate per small part? Yes. You missed a Spade stream? Yes. The reason we're playing Pyanodons now is because I beat Space Age yesterday. You missed it. Wait, was it yesterday or was it the day before? Oh, I wanted to see my channel. Oh, it was 2 days ago. February 16th. Yeah, it was the day before yesterday. Did you do any Shattered Planet? No. I barely got to the edge. I've been wanting to play Pyanodons for a while, so I was getting a little burned out on Space Age. Because I just really want to play Pi. So I just decided to beat the game and be done. I'm probably still going to play it on my own time, but not really on stream anymore. Because like Pyanodons will be my stream playthrough. And whenever I'm not streaming, but I want to play Factorio, I'll play my Space Age game. Or maybe I'll play Pi hard mode in my spare time. Play Pi hard block in your spare time. Hard block? This full Pi? It is. And it has decay, so there's spoilage as well. Pi C block, but with a hard mode. Okie dokie, artichoke. Ooh, this is a great song as well. Yep, we are still bottlenecked by copper. Indeed. Indeed! Oh, man. Xenoblade 2 had absolutely horrible English voice direction, but Malos' voice actor makes up for it. It is incredible. Indeed! Come on, hurry up. Go faster. Calling out Maiden. Do we have enough belts this time? No. Heck. How many more do we need? We need 20. That's doable. And one of these days I'm gonna start contributing to Pi, and I'm gonna fix all the GUI styling of this because Oh, there's so many weird paddings, and it doesn't look right. Literally unplayable. 22, perfect. And each one is 2, so actually we're good. That's 44. But I need to finish Factorio first. Factorio still isn't ported to 2.0 fully. There's still some problems that I need to fix. And I need to make menu simulations, which I'm completely procrastinating because I have no idea what I'm doing in that department. There's a 2.0 version on the GitHub? Surely it's done. Yeah, surely. Oh my gosh, copper. We just don't have any copper. You know, it probably would have been more cost efficient. In fact, it definitely would have been more cost efficient to bring the water up. We just wasted a ton of resources and time. Okay, that's neat. Because like one belt costs 2.5 iron plates. We could have used half as much iron to bring up the water. Like maybe we'll do that so I don't have to keep going down there. Next time we need to expand power, I will bring the power up here. Oh, woo, hello. 2 belts, no? Well, yeah, you're right, actually, because the ash belt. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Sneeze! Schnee! Here we go. Ash belt, man, I'm excited to see pie. Yeah, so am I. Half of our inventory is full of coal. Does pie hard mode also have your inventory size? That would just be completely masochistic. Like you're like what? I was joking. Excusez-moi. Doesn't say so on the mod page. That's horrible. Oh, why did I think I was gonna play hard mode again? There's more of them? Oh, you haven't seen nothing. Oh, wait. It's that one. Nope. That one. Yeah, that one. There's over 10,000 recipes in this mod. Last I checked. There's a reason this mod usually takes 1,000 hours to beat. If you're fast. Speaking of fast, okay, so we unlocked automation science. For automation science, we need native flora, planter boxes, and small parts. Okay, so we want native flora. Native flora is easy enough. We just need to craft a flora collector, which requires more iron and copper and stone. Good to know our perpetual motion machines still work. Oh, imagine if pie made belts require electricity. There are mods for that. Boo-doo-doo-boo. Okay, we don't have enough stone actually, but I do have enough stone to make a mining drill. Just output everything there, why not? except for the ash. Adds a second perpetual motion machine, mechanical inserters. Yeah, and thank goodness it does. Did you say you wanted things to be spread out though? Moving a big power plant to your mines instead of the other way around would crowd things. Yeah, you're probably right. I mean, it's just a matter of, I swear I just saw something moving. Oh, it was the tooltip. Okay. It just depends on what you want to do. I don't know. Big fan of the music. Do you have a playlist? I have a YouTube video. Or is this end of the decade? Sorry. End of the decade mixtape. All of the Fat Rats music is incredible. Except we're about to go away from the Fat Rat and go to synthwave cyberpunk mixtapes like Mike Lat. So I'm a wannabe Mike Lat or something. Gosh, I still need more stuff. I also have the Freerun soundtrack, but that doesn't really lend itself well to playing Factorio, unfortunately. I love that music. Don't get me wrong. Best anime I've ever seen, but it doesn't really meld with Factorio. Does not reserve inventory size. My inventory size is just smaller than yours. Interesting. Ha, my inventory is bigger than yours. Get hecked. Okay, I'm saving up all of my plates for something. Never mind, I'm gonna double everything because I'm sick of waiting. This is really intense music for Pyanodons. I don't think one inserter will be enough. I don't know, we'll see. So one of the lessons I've learned is sooner rather than later, I need to create my ash belts. And direct all the ash to a central processing location because I had to retrofit that in my old base and it was a disaster. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna change the. I'm gonna listen to the next. The Fat Rat 10th anniversary. I'm gonna download this YouTube video real quick. Here we go. Easy peasy. There. Huh? What? Weird. Why did it do that? That was dumb. I deleted the other songs off of my playlist and it restarted my current song. There we go. Okay, one inserter is not enough. Hello, Noachi. No, it's not really possible to do unless done at the very start, but did the Factorio team ever consider root level, C++ level mods? We never considered it. They never did. Root level mods are just a disaster waiting to happen. It is not worth it. There we go, 2 inserters is enough. Doesn't stop Melon from making a Rust plugin system. Okay, there we go. Now we're building up our stock again for the Flora collector. We're almost there. Just one more set of iron. There we go. Oh! Holy moly! Dream wasn't mine for you. Yeah, handcrafting small parts is awful. I need to automate that as soon as possible. Unfortunately, I literally can't automate anything right now, which is great. Or assemble anything, I should say. Surely this time I'm gonna finish Pi for real, exactly. Well, you weren't here at the beginning. I could have kept going with my old base, but I decided to start over because I really wanted the 2.0 map generation, because it's just so much better. And I wanted a starting area that didn't have mixed ore patches. Like, I probably shouldn't have started over, but too late. I'm already committed. Pi hard mode is handcrafting time is reduced by like 10. Oh. Why? I feel like that would be unfun. Like, I would not enjoy that whatsoever. I guess there's a reason why not Melon said, this is my mod. It's purely BDSM mod. Like, you shouldn't play this. And glorious. I can't go that low. Dream. Yours and mine. Euphoria. You know, I kind of assumed Pi was already hard mode. Yeah, you would think so. Just wasting time cutting trees while I wait for stuff. Oh, wait, we're done. Cool. Okay, so our native Flora patch is down there. So this is the first thing that requires power. So, like I said before, I think the plan is to build a bus going to the left. So let's start doing that. Because this time, I'm not going to build a complete spaghetti nightmare that I can't maintain. I'm going to build a bus. Although maybe for Pi Science Pack 1, or Automation Science, I will just do regular, good old-fashioned spaghetti base. We'll see. Surely we can make an organized bus base, right? 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 The bus will be wider than the base. Oh no. Well, it just depends. Like, if you just do raw resources on your bus, then it's a super small bus. And then you have a super big base. It all depends on how you balance it. Surely the bus will last us until the end game, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, no problem. We'll finish the game in 100 hours. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What do you mean this spoils? What does it spoil into? Oh, why did I enable this setting? Jeez, my chair is very creaky. I didn't used to do this. 3 hours and 20 minutes to decay into a starfish. What is this used in? Oh, okay, you can make it back into Flora just with some steam. Or you can make biocrud, or you can compost it. Oh, that is really far away. But biomass is a fuel value, and it doesn't have a decay product. Interesting. Oh well. Okay, so that's one ingredient of 3. The next one is planter box. Planter box requires ash, soil, and empty planter box. Empty planter box requires stone bricks, wood, and iron plates. Okay, so next step is going to be automating stone bricks. Boo doo 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 doo. Do 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 do. Good thing you don't have to make a bunch of carbolic oil for that stone. True. How would I even make carbolic oil? Raw coal tar and steam. Could be worse. Okay, so I need more ash and soil and a native flora. How do I get soil? From water and a soil extractor. Soil extractor. Thank you. Oh, that handcrafting queue again. So we're definitely going bust for the first at least 2 science packs. We'll see about the 3rd science pack. Seaweed. I can't reach it. What's the expected playtime for Pi? Over 1,000 hours. I have content for years. Assuming I do, on average, like 4 hours of streaming a week. Okay, so that's 1,800 divided by 4. So we have 325 weeks divided by 52 is 6 years to beat Pi if I only stream 4 hours a week. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, no, that doesn't make sense. 52 weeks in a year. I'm correct. Yeah, 6.25 years if I only play 4 hours a week. Playing Pi is like a full-time job. Has Pi been updated for Space Age? No, it has been updated for 2.0, but not Space Age. Well, don't think of the long picture. If you try to think of the long picture in Pi, you will never get anything done. You have to just take it one step at a time. Think of it this way. We have content for 6 years. Easy. Just quit my job, become a full-time streamer. Oh, except, no, I can't do that. Because then I'd be playing 40 hours a week, and it would take 0.6 years instead of 6 years. I'm going to burn all this Keragen. Pi plus Space Age would be a lot. Well, they're working on it. Pi sex. It's going to be incredible. Probably better than real sex. Women are temporary, Pi sex is forever. Is that a recipe book icon on the top left? Indeed. Haven't had to use it yet, but we'll probably have to use it soon. Because Factoriopedia just... Oh, cool. My jank fluid system is going to work now. Okay, we're just going to put this in a chest. Easy peasy. Oh, this is also a change. This didn't used to directly output. Fix Factoriopedia then. It's not my area of the code base. I want to fix it. I'm trying to get the person who works on Factoriopedia to fix it, but it's not completely straightforward. Okay, what else do we need for this? We need ash. I actually don't have any ash in my inventory. That's incredible. Factoriopedia for Pi is... it's kind of useless once you get a bit in. Yeah, see, I am a UI UX pedant for mods, but making UX in the base game is significantly more difficult. So I don't really want to, I would prefer to not have to touch Factoriopedia at all. But I'm probably going to have to. Jeez, my chair is so creaky. I need to oil this thing. Okay, now I need to make more of these. How many do I need? I need 20. Yeah, the fact that there's no filtering options in Factoriopedia is its main thing. Like, Recipe Book 4 here is basically Factoriopedia, but with filtering options. You can disable all of the stuff that you haven't unlocked yet, which makes it infinitely more useful. Like, just that would make Factoriopedia okay. Like, look, now I can go to Ash and say, hey, what can I use Ash for? Oh gosh, that took forever. I can only use it in 3 things. Or, wait. That's a bug. Okay, ignore that. I can't use it. I can only use it in planner boxes right now, whereas without the ability to see that, it's like, okay, I have all these 181 recipes it can be used in. What do I actually have unlocked right now? So yeah, just this filter makes it so much better. If Factoriopedia had this, I wouldn't need Recipe Book. That's why I use FNEI, yeah. It's sad that how old is FNEI? Like a decade? 0.15, okay. So it's like over 8 years old now. 7 years ago. And it works better than Factoriopedia. Hey, this is consuming the Keratin. That's awesome. Another thing nice to have is seeing default circuit uses. So like T is used for train station and for reactor temperature, being able to browse that stuff would make getting the circuits a bit easier. I don't think that's super necessary, but I am pretty familiar with circuits. Oh, geez. I suddenly have 200, almost 300 stone bricks. It's crazy. Crazy, man. Now I just need a crap ton of native flora. I'm in the handcrafting phase. I need to just build up a buffer of these. That's a good amount of soil. Okay, well, while we handcraft, I'm going to take a short break. I'll be back. What? Whoa. Oh no, this is the other one. I guess he just has this song on both of them. It's my favorite one, and I missed it. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Now, I just realized I can remove evolution as well as daytime. I don't really care for that. There, so now we just have playtime and research finished. Oh, there we go. We got all the packs we could ever want. Chiwa got her Spidertron? Oh no, I missed it! You should tell her to raid me. Oh, I can't hear her stream. Nice. Well, congrats to her. You're not doing that? Oh. You're no fun. Don't want her to mute you. Need to get all those Chiwa viewers now. Nah, you're fine. Don't do that. No, she always raids her friends, so I'm not her friend. Yet. Just kidding. That is very parasocial. It's amazing how you can have so much coal and yet it doesn't last very long. Only been set for 2 months, right? I gotta pump those numbers up. Yeah, I gotta, once my gift sub runs out, I'm gonna actually subscribe to her. Hey, just a fat rat day? Yes. Every day's a fat rat day. But on today's stream, we were having a fat rat stream. Wow, these labs actually go pretty slowly. That's 600 seconds. That's 10 minutes. We could double that. Labs aren't that expensive. Which you wouldn't think based on how large they are. I hate how the sprite goes up beyond the bounding box. It's just bad design. I'm sorry, like they're cool sprites, but they don't belong in this entity because it would need to be that tall. Like Factorio's perspective means you can't make super tall entities like this work well. We are once again out of fuel. Does Keragen make ash? Yes, it does. Surely there's a way I can leech. Do we have burner leech turned on? Oh, it's an entity ghost. Leech. Yeah, I know. Dang it. Bring people's expectations down right from the get-go so they judge less harshly. Truth. So look at all these bullets we have. Don't need them. Why does Pi give you so many bullets to start with when you don't even need them? Or do you? Nope. Just straight up don't need military technology. It's kind of sad, honestly. Why would you play this mod with biters? I mean, I guess if you're playing this mod, you're already somewhat masochistic. But I'm not that masochistic. I think I would not play Pi if I had to play Pi with aliens. Or if I had to play Pi with enemies. It would just completely ruin it for me, I think. Because, like, the appeal of Pyanodons is it's just raw, complex factory building. You don't have to deal with anything else. Just build your factory. At least that's the appeal for me. That's also the appeal of Shapes, too. Just raw, unadulterated factory building. I need to come up with a better phrase. Rampant Death World playthrough when? Never. Even without Pi, I will never do a Death World. I just don't find that appealing at all. Well, that was a big lag spike. What caused that? Heck. Why is it not showing the mod stuff? The frick? Oh. That's weird. Let's fix this right now. So we want time usage. We want tile grid. We don't need multiplayer statistics. We don't need paths. We don't need Pathfinder stuff. We don't need those. Don't need any of the asteroid collector stuff. Actually, I want player robots on all the time. There, that should be better. Thinking of Pathfinder stuff, do you know if the game caches regularly used train paths? I'm pretty sure it does. But I've never touched the train code, so I don't know that for certain. You have to ask Boss Kid. He's the one who did all the train stuff recently. Gosh, these just take so much coal, dude. They're hungry, hungry hippos. Okay, so assemblers aren't that bad. Okay, so we are going to build a little spaghetti starter thing here for Pi Science, or for automation science. Like, that is going to be a thing. So don't be alarmed. There's just going to be some very minor spaghetti. Why does that have a fluid input? I don't like that. Oh, we're going to get a bunch of achievements as well. Rip. Who am I messaging? Moss Kid? Honestly, I only know you and Arendelle. Boz Kid. With a B. Did I hear fear? Okay, so this requires the planter boxes and the small parts. We want to automate small parts as well, separately. Separately as well. Good. Yes. 100. Yes. Great. Awesome. Bolts, copper cable, and iron gears. Okay, so these require 3, so we might want to do a belt. Right, and right now we don't have long inserters. Long inserters aren't until rubber, which is Pi Science 1. It's not just fluid inputs, it's fluid outputs. Oh, you're right. You can do that. Okay, so we need to remember that we need coal inputs for all of these assemblers. And ash, oh, and ash outputs as well. This time I'm not gonna put off the ash belts until later. Or maybe I will. Maybe I will for this specific one because I said we're gonna build a bus. Well, we can't get splitters. I mean, splitters are part of or automation science. We just need to make simple circuit boards. I at least want splitters before I build my bus, I think. Because you kind of need splitters for a bus. That means it's going to take us 20 hours before we build our bus. We're going to be 20 hours of spaghetti, which is going to be great. We're already repeating last time. Okay, so this requires iron gears, copper cables, and bolts. That's just iron plates. That's just copper plates. Bolts is iron sticks, which is iron plates. Splitter? I hardly knew her. Also, spoilage. Oh. Why did I enable spoilage again? I'm regretting my decisions. I swear my chair wasn't this creaky yesterday. Okay, so this can spoil eventually. I think we deal with the spoilage by doing this. We just hide it. There, problem solved. It just goes into the void. There, spoilage handled. Because we literally can't do anything with these yet. We can't do anything with these for a little while. We need botanical nurseries, which isn't that far away, actually. Okay, so that's 0.2 a second, which is pretty heckin' slow. Just ignore issues until they go away on their own. Life advice. Yes. Incredible. Right, and wood needs to be created in wood processing unit. Code green! There's a bug! Why can the Blueprint Shotgun character craft these two specific recipes? Interesting. Why is there a Blueprint Shotgun character? Is this a new run? Yes. Oh, I don't have any stone. Heck. Heck. Yuck. Curious what mods are you playing with other than Pi? I have a smattering of quality of life. Assembly analyst, automatic underground pipe connectors, belt visualizer, big data string 2, blueprint shotgun, blueprint tools, bottleneck light, cursor enhancements, feature flags, Factorio library, factory search, milestones, all the Pi mods except for hard mode, rate calculator, recipe book, simple notepad. Oh, I forgot I had that. Stats GUI, task list, train saver, underground indicators, and vehicle stamp. Pretty sure I have a mods command. Yes, but this is also out of date. It's close enough. Oh gosh, that's a very sad looking furnace array down there. Okay, so I think my goal for the end of today's stream is going to be I want to get Pi Science or Automation Science fully automated, and then I'll call it a day. That's my goalpost for today. So let's get going. We are making a wood processing unit. Oh boy, man, things are going to get so much nicer once we automate small parts. And there's also air core inductors that we need to automate as well. So let's start laying this out. So we need to bring coal in and ash out, which means we actually can't afford to have assemblers on all three sides of this. So we need to be smarter. We also can't direct insert anything because we need all the space we can get. Where does the bottom lab end and the top lab begin? Ends right there. The art is questionable. Okay. This will be our ash output into a box for now. For now. Any bets on how long this is gonna stay? Let's see. So now we need a belt down here for all three of these to get fuel, like that. But this can also take one of its ingredients from there. So what can we put on there? Okay, so the planter boxes, I think we're just gonna direct insert into here because these aren't used in very many things. It's used in the botanical nurseries, it's used in some other stuff, but all of these are super far away. It's used in moondrops as well, but it's only used in moondrops for the initial moondrop codex recipe. So we're fine. See, I'm already benefiting from my previous playthrough. I remember the moondrop cycle and that you only need one moondrop codex, not like a zillion of them. I automated moondrop codexes last time, which was a really stupid thing to do, but it was funny. Oh, this actually needs ash. Ha! I'm smart. Oh, actually, that's not enough of ash. So we can take care of the ash in there and the ash from here and use them to craft planter boxes. Ah, ha! I am smart. I'm a smart boy. So if we use coal, that'll produce that much per second and that much per second. Okay, we still have a huge deficit of ash. So we also need... How do you make ash? Yep, Factoriopedia is useless. You don't make ash. You make it from biomass, which you don't have yet. Also, look at how much time that takes to open. Okay, so you can make ash out of coal gas. Don't let Factoriopedia dev hear you say that. Oh, I will let him hear me say that. I've been saying that for years. Well, a year. I said a year ago, I'm a bit salty about this. I said a year ago that we needed filtering in Factoriopedia. And it wasn't added. I kept saying it, like, Factoriopedia is not going to work for mods unless you do this. And you're like, it's fine. I mean, I understand. We needed to get Space Age done first. But it still kind of makes me salty. Because I don't want to work on recipe book anymore. You saw how slow this ash page takes to load? It takes a full second. Because there's all this trash on it. It's actually mostly these. These technology buttons take a lot of resources for mods to make. And this is also a bug. Ignore that. But yeah, I hate working on recipe book. I didn't want to have to update recipe book. So that's why I'm salty. Okay, so let's be smart about this. We want to... I know that we are going to need a bunch of log stuff. Yeah, we do tree seedlings and fastwood forestries. So we need like a whole zillion of these. So these are going to be in their own little area. Which means I need to bring the wood up here. Cache everything. Yeah, I actually do. Recipe book 3 is so fast because it caches everything in advance, but that significantly increases the size of the save file, which is not good. Also, this actually this lag is not because of getting the info. This lag is creating the GUI elements. So like if I if I go into log, okay, so here you can see I have some logging in recipe book 4. It only took, well, it took 400 milliseconds to open the thing. But this is getting the information and the GUI, so actually I need to make it better. But you can't cache all the GUI elements in advance. That would be awful. Can't reuse them and hide and show when needed? Well, I could. But for these, it would be horrendously complicated and it's just not worth it. The main cost is these buttons here. These buttons take a while because these buttons are a big hack. These aren't actually real. These are simulated with Lua GUI elements. So this one, for example, one of them down here, just this one button has the actual button element, then it has an image element, then it has a flow, and then it has 4 more images down here. Those are all individual Lua GUI elements, and each one of those takes a while to make because they're a lot more complicated than the regular AGUI widgets. So these technology buttons are really slow. That was necessary. They look cool, but couldn't you just do a simple button that has the tech icon? Yes, but these look much nicer. Plus, this is incorrect behavior anyway. It should only show this one. I need to improve my logic for this because the way it works is when you have an item, it'll take every technology that unlocks every recipe that can make it, and it puts them all in a big list. But this big list of technologies shouldn't be here. Like that's not a great solution. So I'd rather fix that. All right, this is running on Keragen now. To be fair, it's Pi's fault for having 145 text to unlock the same thing. Yeah, that's true. The other advantage of Factoriopedia is it can open while over the tech tree, which the recipe book can't do. It should be grouped together probably. In fact, this one should definitely be grouped together because it has a muddy sludge. It has a canonical muddy sludge recipe, and then the rest of them look. Well, they have different. Never mind. There's one other recipe, but if they just change this icon, then it'll be better. It's made in syngas, or it's used in syngas. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I think my early game in my previous run was actually helped. Like, in terms of the time taken to do stuff, it was helped by the mixed ore patches. Is Lua fast? Yes. Compared to C++? No. But compared to other scripting languages, it's wicked fast. Like, compared to Python, it's so much faster. I wish Lua was the industry standard scripting language instead of Python. Lua is so much better. Rust is used as a scripting language? Feels like it would take so long to compile that it would be pointless as a scripting language. Do I have circuits already? I do. That feels wrong. I feel like you shouldn't be able to wire stuff until you get circuit network. Okay, so that should be the planter box circuit. We just need our wood, and the wood will come up here. Yeah, I already have it set up. I need more belts. As soon as small parts are automated, the first thing I'm automating is belts. Well, I think I think wires should be a tool. But I think you shouldn't be able to use them until you unlock circuit network. That's definitely possible to do. Like, you can't use discharge defense until you unlock it. So why not the wires as well? In vanilla, I don't really care because you unlock circuit networks so quickly. But in Pi, it's like a 30-hour process to get circuit networks. You should not be able to do wires until you get there. I did my entire last base without any circuits, I'm pretty sure. Okay, there's 2 ingredients. Well, 1. The second one I need to bring up still. Okay, so this line is done now. But I also need to take care of the ash. Hey, I can make iron chests now. Neat. Is there any other way to automate wood? No. You just need to unlock fastwood forestries. Until then, you need to heckin' do it manually? That's cool. Good thing I'm in a forest. Role-playing the male fantasy lumberjacking. Oh, where's that? Antimony field. Was this in here before? I did not see any of these. Huh. I thought these were more native flora. I haven't seen these before. That's cool. Oh, that's like way later. Oh, wait, no, we can mine it earlier than that. Well, let's not worry about it for now. Okay, we got 67 whole logs. Wow. Incredible. Cool thing's only a year away. I don't know, if I commit to playing this, like, if I commit to streaming regularly, then I could get back to where I was pretty easily. Like, let's say I play this every single day for the next 2 years. I might finish it. Okay, cool. So the next thing we need is small parts. That's the only other ingredient of this. Small parts. Small parts has several ingredients. Which one is the most abundant? Well, iron gear wheels is the least abundant. So let's do that here. I suppose. Okay, no, we're not gonna do this. We need more belt space in between. We need an ash belt. I should probably make this go down, actually, because then I can reuse this belt that I already put down. Which means I'll need to move the wood, but that's fine. Oh, no, I can't reuse... Well... See, my problem with committing to streaming is I am already struggling to work 8 hours a day. So if I start streaming for 4 hours a day, that's 12 hours a day of commitments. I don't think I got that in me. That's why I usually don't commit to time frames for anything, except for work. What? Huh? Why did Zorma think that was a good idea? Also, at some point we changed the selection order, so you can't get rid of the entities before you build new ones, which is annoying. It's also causing a problem with mouse over construction that I can't fix. I think it should prioritize the entity to be deconstructed. So super force building is useless before you get robots. Was that you who made that bug report? Let's go look at it. No? Okay. But yeah, several people were like, hey, you can't do this anymore. I'm like, not my problem. I can't fix it. In the mod, at least. No, I can't say not my problem anymore, because now they're like, you're a Factorio dev, fix it. I'm like, no, I don't want to. Gosh, this stupid chair is so creaky now. I need to fix that. Okay, well, I can't reuse this belt, which is dumb. I can use it for coal, at least. But I can't put the ash on that belt, which is really annoying. Just squiggle belt around. But then I have to... But then I have to, like... That's gross. I hate it. I have to offset this by 1. Yes, you're correct, Onumbar. Thank you. So there's no nice solution to this. That sucks. Ash has to go down here. Okay, so this needs iron stuff. Iron stuff, very descriptive. And this also needs 2 other inputs, so we will put those onto a belt here. And make that go like that. We need more iron! Boo, 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 boo. We need to automate these smelters as soon as possible. It's getting kind of old. And by the time I get back to the coal patch, it'll probably be full again. Yep. It goes so quickly.
Moisturize me, moisturize me.
Moisturizing. Okay, so this and this are gonna both need iron plates. Oh, the ash is so annoying. This one I can do the funny trick. Super funny. hilarious, even. And iron plates will come in here from the iron plate mine over here. And then copper plates, oh, why did I lay it out like this? Sometimes my genius frightens me. Can I use wood as fuel? I think I can, but these also can just pull from here. Yes, I can use wood as fuel, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't produce ash. No, it doesn't. Nice. What are the side rules for inserters putting things on the corner belts? Beats me. I just do it until it works. Easy. Done, right? No more work required. Definitely don't need to automate iron or anything. So the really nice thing about the mixed ore patches was the iron was literally right next to the coal, so I only needed like 10 belts to automate iron ore. But now I'm gonna need like a bunch of them. But it's worth it. I just didn't really appreciate my mixed ore patches when I had them. They do have advantages. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. I don't know the rest of the words, I just know that line. Never gonna let you go. What is Belt Visualizer's hotkey? Highlight belts G. I guess that makes sense. You're never gonna press G on anything, on anything else unless you're, the only other things you'll press G on are vehicles, so that makes sense. Never gonna press G on a belt for any other reason. Never gonna let you go.
Moisturize me, moisturize
Hydrating?
me.
Lazy bastard should be enforced in Pi. Oh, that would be horrible. It doesn't tell you how much you've crafted, but it's quite a bit. Okay, so I need to keep these around because I still need to handcraft stuff, but I am going to consume half of these, I think, and turn it into an automated system. And once I get the automated system up and running, because I need a lot of belts to do that, but once I have that up and running, then I can convert the rest of it into the automated system. Okay, so for the output, we just need a belt. If only you could mirror these. Then I could do it all in one line. That'd be cool. So now I need ash outputs. And I need coal inputs. And I need a bunch of belts. Do, 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 do. It's gonna be so much better once we don't have to deal with ash on our miners anymore. Yeah, that's Pi Science 1.
Hello there.
Hello, Mike. We restarted. Is this a new Pi map? It is. Burner phase is that good, eh? Well, the main things were I wanted the new 2.0 map gen, and I also wanted starter ore patches that weren't mixed together. But I'm actually starting to realize that the mixed ore patches had advantages in that I needed a lot fewer belts to get things off the ground, so it's taking me longer to automate. I think it's taking me longer to automate. Oh wait, this isn't gonna work. Recipe book. Hold on, let's fix that. I want to load it. Did you activate the spoilage? Yes. Okay, so don't open frickin' recipe book. I just want to look at the milestones. Okay, yeah, so we completed, oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Yeah. So we handcrafted the first one at 23 minutes. And here, we handcrafted the first one at 57 minutes. So the initial buildup is taking a lot longer because I'm spending like 90% of the time walking around. So the mixed ore patches actually did have some advantages, as it turns out. Head to bed. Good night, guys. Good night, Noachi. Sleep tight. See, like before, I would have just gone like, oh, call, get call, put in call. But now I have to, well, assuming I don't have any in my inventory, I'd have to go all the way over here. La-di-da. Get that. Go all the way back over here. And put them in. It takes like an order of magnitude more time. I do have a lot of stone bricks, actually. That is a good point. I always forget that stone bricks are walkable tiles. So I never do this in vanilla. Oh, that does make it faster. Nice. Okay. So we need to bring out iron here. And then we need 2 belts of input. These are expensive. What's the plan for this map? Pasta or main bus? I'm going to try to do a main bus, but for now it's going to be pasta because I just need to get things rolling. Once I get things rolling with pasta, then I will upgrade to better horizons. Okay, so we need coal on both of these belts. Oh, it's also taking us longer because we are planning ahead more. Like I am, instead of just YOLOing it and then figuring out how to deal with ash and putting cold stuff, I'm actually planning it all ahead. So that's why it's taking me significantly longer to get started, because I'm actually building it better. Still not great, mind you, but better. But like the bootstrapping process is taking so much longer. So we're probably not going to beat our previous record for splitters, unfortunately. Or who knows? We'll see. Okay, I just need more iron. I just don't have enough of it. Can never have enough iron. This is why I needed to definitely not get rid of all of the iron furnaces that were over there. Okay, so let's go grab more coal and use it to bootstrap the new production. That mod list is not quite up to date, but it's pretty close. There we go. That should be better. I need more stuff. But yes, YouTube, I probably should do that. I should set up parallel VOD uploading. This one I will have to download from Twitch and then upload to YouTube, which will make it the quality worse. But the other ones I should or like auto upload. I might have to ask Mike how he does that or something. I don't know. I'll look it up. How come placing a ghost over a ghost of the same item is red and not blue? Because there's no reason to put one there. Like it's the same entity. Right, I needed to get copper, not coal. Pi overhaul of Space Age content would be like the longest game ever. Well, they do plan on it. Pi 6 coming sometime in the future. I don't know, man. Because the blueprint logic and the manual builder logic are different things. Okay, this should start scaling up pretty quickly once we get the coal over here. Does Pi have belt stacking stuff in it? Yep, awesome. Like by default? If I have the feature flags? Oh, yep. Nice. Okay, so now we have automated iron, sort of. We need to automate the coal. But that means we need to, like, get a zillion belts. What are small parts missing? Missing bolts? I forgot the bolts. Oh, I forgot the bolts. How did I forget the bolts? It doesn't take iron sticks, it takes bolts. Bolts take iron sticks and something else. Oh, they're just iron sticks. Okay, that's not horrible. That is so ugly. Also, it doesn't work. You become bolts. Wow, our, oh, that doesn't work. Fine. Our automation's already paying off. It doesn't take that many iron plates. So these aren't fully automated yet because we haven't automated wood, but we will automate wood at some point. There we go. Now we've automated small parts. Yay! And with that, we've automated the science pack. Certified Poggers moment. Thank you. Yeah, so we've automated the science pack, quote unquote, but we still need to, well, this one's just going to be direct insertion. We still need to automate everything else. Like we've done this part, but now we need to fully automate the iron and copper. Yes, Onum, I just fixed that. Okay, you're out of coal already. But we can make a lot of belts. I actually don't want science packs right now. I just want small parts. There we go. Easy peasy. Okay, and then we're also going to want to put the carriage in on this belt as well at some point. Okay, so those should be good now. I think that's actually going to put on the wrong side of the belt. Yes, this music does make the automation feel very epic. I need more iron. See, we already have 46 small parts. Easy. Oh, automating small parts is so nice. Okay, so now we just need, Look, we can just craft those inserters now. All your iron is spent getting more iron. Exactly. It's a build-up process. Okay, I think we can safely dismantle these now. Because we can just steal iron. Okay, maybe that was a little premature. I mean, we're getting the same amount of iron. And we just have to work harder for it. But we're about to double that. There we go. Can these keep up? Yeah, they can keep up. Barely. Surely we are going to run out of coal. Okie dokie. Well, unfortunately, folks, it looks like we are spaghettiing already. Spaghetti is love, spaghetti is life. Okay, so iron is fully automated now. Copper is not. Well, actually, neither of these are because we still haven't automated logs. But logs are hard to automate because we need to fastwood forestry, which requires a bunch of other stuff first. So the first step in that is coal processing. Well, like I said, we're going to end the stream once I fully automate the science pack, which means once I, well, excluding the wood, because we can't do that right now. But everything else, I'm going to fully automate, and then we're going to call it a day. Oh, wait, I need to steal iron from this belt. Finished my calc homework. Thanks for the tunes and company. No problem. Have you played Pi before? So is there a place to watch all VODs? Yes and no. I have played Pi before. No, I did not save any of the VODs. I'm sorry. I really ought to do that with this playthrough. Once your accounts are connected, you can use the export option. But it's also worth noting that the VODs won't have the music because of copyright problems. But yeah, I will get VOD exporting to YouTube done at some point, so that all of the VODs will be available on my YouTube channel. Hey, it'll give my YouTube channel something to do. I haven't posted a video there in many years. View your channel. Videos. Yeah, the last video was 3 years ago. And it was also Factorio related. It was my first coronal mass ejection in space exploration. Do, 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 do. We do be backed up on bolts, though. Cool. What am I doing? I am automating copper. This one will be much less work to set up because the coal patch is right here. Oh, but... That's annoying. Coal is on the wrong side. Well, this appears to be working pretty well, although we don't have enough coal throughput. That's incredible. Hello, Can-Do. I think we only need one smelter right now. Okay, we got co-processing 1. you have steel plates? No. I've only researched 2 things so far. I've researched, well, besides those, I've researched assembly and coal processing. That's it. Can I even make glass? Gosh, why do these have so many technologies on them? Huh. No, I can't make glass yet. That seems like a bug. Gosh, I just need so much iron right now. Haveth not enough. Wait, this should be... Yeah. So what gives? Is there not enough input? Oh. Don't have enough iron ore input. These take 8 times as much iron ore as they do plates. Wow. I didn't realize that. Yeah, well, half a belt of ore isn't going to last long at all. In fact, it's already not enough. Noted. Posture check, thank you. Oh, I'm out of I'm out of soil. Oh, I didn't automate soil. Well, I do have soil automated. I just need to build another frickin' long belt. Back in my day, you could finish the game with half a belt of iron ore. Well, we don't live in those days anymore. Iron plates and small parts. We just need all the belts. Long pipe is cheaper than a long belt. Yes, that is correct. Definitely will be doing that. Oh, wait, no, I needed more inserters. Heck. I need more iron. Thank you. I need more iron. Seems like I ought to just hoard all of the iron for now until I'm done with this. Well, no, I'm using it to make small parts, which is also helping. But it's just so slow. We're getting 0.8 iron plates per second. Just build more iron. Yeah, I'll just do that. This isn't going to work long term. Good enough. You're freaking kidding me, dude. Hello, Jester. Thanks for joining the stream. How goes it? Okay, copper is fully automated. Not too bad, winding down for the evening. Nice. Okay, now I need all of the pipes, or all of the iron to go into pipes instead of belts. Because frickin' belts are so expensive. Please, sir, may I have a pipe? We're just gonna hoard all of the iron for a little while. Or most of it. All of it. We need all the pipes. Make nothing else. So I think I will bring the power to here so I can save some belts, maybe. But in any case, this soil is going to be up here. Well, we might already have enough soil to last us a very long time. Wow, that actually fills up the whole chest. Thanks for the follow, Jester. Above ground pipeline cursed? Well, it's cheap. Okay, I do need to take a quick break. I'll be back. While the break is going, this will craft pipes. Hello. I have returned. Okay, we finished lamps. We're out of native flora, right? We gotta still automate that as well. Just plan that out a little bit. We can move this down here. And bring it over here. It doesn't need to cross the pipe. That's fine. There. How many pipes we got? Oh, we got 100 pipes. Sugoi. You say whether they got you working on Factorio or the new project? Factorio. Someone else gets scared thinking they entered the password into Twitch chat instead of the login field. Why are you logging in while watching the live stream? Guess you weren't logged in before? Yeah, silly. Oh, we got plenty of pipes. Why does that look so strange? I feel like that isn't normal. Shouldn't have that many icons on it, but I could be wrong. Get out of here. Cooking in would be interesting. Certainly be one of the ideas of all time. Heck. Heck. Heck, it's one tile off. That's annoying. There we go. Okay, so we have lamps, but we can't make lamps because we don't have glass. So that's a bug. Lamps should be gated behind glass tech. Yeah, wood is powering the small parts, which is not ideal, but I don't want to run another coal belt down there. Kovarex! I'm just gonna go fix all the smart belt dragging bugs myself, because Coverx is taking too long. Wood doesn't make ash when burnt. Really? I thought it did. Or wait, no, it doesn't. That's the whole point of using wood. Oh. Ha! I'm a genius. Don't need no ash. We just need to scale up the fastwood forestries a lot once we get them. Know what change happened that broke it? We did a pretty large refactoring to how the manual builder logic works so that it applies a bunch of fixed logic after the build instead of before or during, and that broke a lot of stuff. Or we as in Coverx, because that's all Coverx's code, pretty much. Except for the smart pipe dragging, it's pretty much all Coverx. Smart pipe dragging was me. Stuff that works flawlessly was you. Oh, thanks. Like this is me. That's my code. And that works great. Native Flora spoiling? Yep. You know it. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna put this all in a chest. And then bring it out. And disable this for now. Oh wait, that's a container. That's funny. Okay, soil is automated, native flora is automated, iron is automated, copper is automated. I think we have fully automated, except for wood, we have fully automated the science pack. Sweet. Why isn't it going then? We're out of planter boxes because we're out of those because we're out of. Oh, these will need iron as well. That's funny. Oops. Spaghetti time. Who said that loaders are cheating? Me. I think loaders are cheating. Okay, we have very slow science automated. Okay, so we have that. We also need to, do we have radars? No. Oh no. They require simple circuit boards. Yes, I did. Shotgun. I do have blueprint shotgun. Requires a lot of technologies though. Oh, it also requires simple circuit boards. No. Okay, this works. It's slow as tar, but it works. Biters are not active. No, biters don't exist. Right, I came over here because I wanted to put a pin on this. Handle spoilage. Decay. Okay, well, maybe I will try to scale up iron a little more. So that is definitely our bottleneck right now. Although copper is also surprisingly low. I didn't expect to be bottlenecked on copper. For some reason, I thought copper was a lot more not in demand. Of course, I need more iron to get more iron. Gosh, we already have 10,000 ash. We're speedrunning for those fastwood forestries, dude. So here's a cursed idea. We put ash out on the iron belt. And then filter it later. We're gonna try it. Should that the soil extractor and the sawmill have a direct output now? Yes, I did. I think that's cool. Well, this will kind of stop working once I, It'll be nice once we have splitters in 20 hours. That works. I hate it, but it works. Oh gosh, the inserters can't insert quickly enough. Oh, yes, I can. It just took a minute. Okay, we're good. And yes, that is using more than half a belt, so that was the right decision. Oops. Yeah, Pi Science 1, that's at least 30 hours away. Because for Pi Science 1, you have to get glassware. Like, basic substrate is okay. But glassware, specifically the rubber stoppers, with latex, latex slab, sodium alginate, formic acid, creamy latex, it's like 20 steps. There's a lot of steps to get Pi Science 1. Yeah, I argue that simple circuit boards are even more of a breakthrough than Pi Science 1. Maybe. Hey, Theranos. Yes, Pi is back. I did start over, though, because I wanted 2.0 map gen. It's proving to be a double-edged sword. The ore patches being far away from each other is nice, but it means that the bootstrapping process is taking a lot longer. Did I see a lifetime on some of the Pi items? You did. Flora. Native Flora decays into Flora spollen. Flora spollinen. Okay, we have increased iron production, but it's still, like, pretty slow. What? We're backing up on iron? What is this nonsense? Oh. I can't end the stream yet. We haven't automated stone bricks. Oops. I forgore. Oh, heck. So much garbage in my inventory. We're just gonna go complete nonsense overkill on this. After Iron Stage 1, you got plenty of stone bricks. Still bottlenecked on iron, of course. There's never enough iron. Just need so much iron. I swear, these are more expensive than they used to be. Wait. Dingo. I think I am going to try going all in on wood. Because once we get the fastwood forestries, we can just create logs. Well, we need tree saplings, which needs moss. And it's a process, but I think it's worth it to try to use almost exclusively wood for our burning, because then we don't get any ash. Instead of trying to deal with all the ash. Maybe, we'll see. I just want to try changing up my strat a little bit. Try something new. Going eco-friendly. Well, there's no pollution, so there's no environment to hurt either. That's how it works. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know why? I'm using a lot of iron because I ran out of small parts. That's why. Small parts, please. I was like, why am I chewing through so many iron plates? Burning logs doesn't create ash? Yes. I mean, yeah, it doesn't make sense in the real world, but it makes sense here. There we go. Look at all that keratin. So none of this downstream stuff requires coal, right? No. So we can just dump all the keratin over there. I need more iron. Oh, coke? Oh, coke is a little far away. Well, actually, we have coke. No, we don't. We're gonna get coke pretty soon. Mechanical inserters work on prayers and duct tape. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what I need? Guess what I need now? Guess, chat, guess. Come on. Guess what I need? Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting the ash inserters. Thank you. I mean, I do need sleep, but I also needed iron. We're just gonna dump all of the iron here. What achievements are those? Imp sucks? Are two of them the time-based ones? Because I don't know how I'm ever gonna beat Space Age under 100 hours. Well, I mean, if I just make blueprints ahead of time, I'll be able to do it just fine. So I do know how I'll do that. Yep, this is already turning into certified spaghetti. Wait a frickin' second. I'm smart. Nine hours for Space Age speedrun? That's crazy. We ran out of ash. That's incredible. That's okay. I don't want to make science right now anyway. Wow, the waifu soul, you got held for aggression. Oh, sweet. That's a permitted term now. My bad. I love inserter splitters, don't you? They're just the best. Hold up, that's backwards. There we go. Well, chat, do you see the problem with this? Heck. Turns out my original design was better. So much trash in my pockets. So much trash in my pants. That's way funnier. There we go. Now we got stone bricks, which we can bring down here on our spaghetti nightmare bus. It's a bus in very large quotes. Missed out on Rush to Space my first playthrough because I thought I could choose one science, but not the other. Yeah, I did Rush to Space and the artillery achievement at the same time. I do not recommend. I did it, but I don't recommend it. There we go. Cool. Oh gosh, we are backing up on Keratin. That's a whole lot of Keratin. Now that I think about it, I think we need, just as many inserters for Keratin as we do for stone. Because it's 1-to-1. Cool. My voice is just fine. My voice doesn't crack at all. I'm totally an adult. I'm 20 frickin' 4 and my voice still cracks. Okay. Oh wait, we didn't automate ash, which is hilarious. Where can I get some ash? Oh, ash. Ash Ketchum, where are you? Here's some ash. Oh, but we're not using nearly as much coal as we were. Perhaps I bring it down on the stone belt. Rush to Space is a bad achievement for the first playthrough. Kind of limiting, yeah. Oh, we have a surplus of iron, boys! We are rich now! Oh man! We can craft 80 belts at once! 160, actually. We're rolling in dough. Code Green would be proud of me. Okay. Belt. Underground. There we go. Ash is automated. Easy peasy. Okay, however, we need to nudge all of this over one. Great. You know, it'll be really nice right about now. A priority splitter. Cool. Okay, we are actually good on copper, it looks like. We don't need to expand that yet. How many hours till the splitter? 15. At least. Okay. Have I forgotten anything? Oh, we're out of wood. Out of wood. Womp, womp, womp. Time to go deforest more of the landscape. No, I'm actually going to cancel the research queue because I'd rather do one at a time so I actually know what I'm researching. Because I don't really know what is what. Just get a stack of logs. Yeah, Chiwa is doing Glubba first, and she's struggling. Her novice base has been languishing, because Glubba is taking her a while. But she just got a Spidertron, apparently, so yay. Wood. Wood. Logs. There we go. Get those logs in there. Okay, we're out of wood. Or wood is not automated yet, but we can't automate that yet. I think that's pretty good for the first stream. Maybe call it at 4 hours, another 15 minutes. I don't want to get in the habit of doing super, super long streams. So maybe 4 hours is a good time. Oh yeah, we did do carriage and reprocessing, but we haven't handled decay yet. Okay, so the next step is we need to start working towards simple circuit boards, because that's the next thing. See, like simple circuit boards is like half of PyScience 1. 12 hours seems reasonable. You're not the one who has to do it for 12 hours a day. Where did that ash come from? Oh, I do need ash reprocessing on this because, I see. I4Gore. Oh wow, this is half decayed already. I actually kind of like milestones because it gives us a kind of roadmap as well. So we need... What do we have? We have sinkholes, we have steel chests now. We have fluid mining drills, advanced foundry, wood processing unit, destructive distillation columns. Okay, we have multi-blade fish turbine. We have carbolic oil. Alright, so this is... Carbolic oil is the thing that would... be needed to mine stone in Pi hard mode. That feels like a bit much. Cool. Our carriage and situation is looking a lot better. Wow, you're still don't have enough ash. That's incredible. Where are we producing most of our ash? Probably the furnaces. Can't believe I'm about to do this. Ah, heck. This is almost perfect. Just requires a little bit of jank. There we go. That's so awkward, but it works. Okay, now we need to expand the copper. Wow, we have so much iron now, dude. This is great. Can you use circuit wires, or do they get unlocked later? I can use circuit wires, but I'm pretending that I can't because I think it's more fun that way. I think I shouldn't be able to use any circuits until I unlock the circuit network. So that's how I feel like it should be in vanilla as well. There we go. Casually doubling our copper. Does the fact that you're playing this mean Pi has been updated for 2.0? Yeah, Pi got updated for 2.0 basically on day 1. I just wanted to finish my Space Age playthrough first. How was Pi the first overhaul to update to 2.0? They have a very well-maintained code base, as well as Not Melon and co are absolute madmen. I have no idea how I did that. I'm still struggling with Crastorio, but that's because I'm doing it by myself. I really ought to probably get some people to help me with Crastorio, because it has been proven that I am incapable of doing it myself. But part of me is like too proud to do that. It feels like, I don't know, it's a failing of mine. Like, I can do it. I just need to finish it. And yet I have no motivation to do so. Castorio works on 2.0. it doesn't crash. I just need to fix all the tech tree problems. That's basically it, actually. Once I do that, I think it's pretty much ready to go. I could probably release it today if I wanted to. The reason why Factorio has taken so long is because not only did I have to update it to 2.0, but I basically rewrote the mod. I refactored all the control scripting to be not trash, and I also reorganized the entire data stage code to be better. So I basically touched every single line of code in the mod. It's basically an entirely new mod with the same assets and recipes. Do loaders support belt stacking? Yes. In Factorio? Well, loader prototypes do. But it depends on the mod. The mod can enable or disable it at will. And in the next Factorio version, you'll actually be able to enable a prototype property that lets the user adjust it at runtime, which is pretty neat. Okay, this inserter is a bottleneck. It's probably okay. How do you find the what? Yeah, waifu soul, that's my thinking exactly. Okie dokie. So we are in a good spot. I think that's a good place to stop the stream for today. We got automation science pretty much fully automated except for the wood. I think that's a good spot. Let's just mine some more wood. So why isn't that working? There's no inserter here. There we go. Not that it matters that much. Yeah, I know that Bob's is also doing a heavy refactor, and that's why they haven't come out yet. It's just a process. But yeah, I'm probably going to be done because I'm starting to lose it a little. I ought to eat dinner, and I ought to go to the gym. But am I going to go to the gym? No. Yes, there is a version of Bob's. If you can find the Bob's GitHub repository, you can download a version that works on 2.0, I'm pretty sure. Just like Factorio. If you go to the GitHub repository, you can download a version that works on 2.0. Okay. I'm just going to get rid of this coal and then call it a day. Where can I put this coal? Where the frick? Just one more turn. There we go. Okie dokie, artichoke. Thank you for joining me today. Return of the Pie. Today we got the Pi Science pack. Sorry, oh my gosh. Today we got Automation Science completed. The next stream we are going to start working towards Pi Science 1, which means we're going to start working towards simple circuit boards. And I think the first thing we're going to do is steel. All right. Let's go find somebody to wade. Thank you very much. Who is online? Is anybody else playing Pi? Everyone's playing Space Age. I wonder why. Oh, thanks to the Puzzled Pirate. Yeah, that's good news. We're gonna raid Chef Plays Games. He's playing Space Age. So yeah, join me next time. I don't know when it's gonna be. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you. What is going on? The raid isn't working. I would like to raid. Hello? Twitch says no. I guess another 2 hours of Pi. Let's try someone else, see if it's the channel or something. I just can't raid. Oh, no, there it goes. What? Hold on. There we go. I don't know what was going on there. Wait, no, it's... Okay, let's type it manually. Raid. Chef Plays Games. Oh, they don't allow raids. Interesting. Why doesn't Twitch tell me that? 10 out of 10 UX, Twitch. Raid Shadowlet. Interesting. I didn't know you could do that.